ephemera, Dephemerember, Dephemerember. You have been asking for months, hoping I would do something like December daily this year again. And I'm here to tell you it's going to be even better this year. Welcome to Dephemerember. It's Barbara from Vienna, Austria. What's going to be better, you ask? As you can maybe tell from the unpronounceable title, this December daily series is about ephemera in December, and it's also a collaboration with none other than my talented friend, Luise Heinzel. This means that you get to watch 2 videos every day instead of just one. We have put our heads together and had a lot of fun coming up with a list of daily prompts for you from December 1st to the 25th. You can find this list linked below in the description box, and we hope you will follow along. We will explain how the prompts work once the series starts, but I want to mention now that our goal was to make ephemera using basic supplies. So please don't worry if you see things that you don't have, for example, like index cards, because we will be making our own. You also won't need a journal to participate. We are just making the ephemera. Also, we both have lots of goodies, freebies, and a giveaway mixed into our videos. So it's definitely worth watching both our videos because you never know when the next surprise is going to pop up. If you have a YouTube channel and would like to join in for one or more of these prompts, please use the hashtag Dephemerember and tag us so that we can include your video in our own playlists. We hope you join the fun. See you in Dephemerember. Love you guys. Mwah.